Once again, my name is Blankenship. I'm the district chair for the Blue Ridge chapter. I'm also the state level treasurer. Appreciate everyone's attendance, and thanks to George for coming out to speak this morning. I don't know if you paid attention, but anyone play the lottery the other night? I called last night, unfortunately not a millionaire. But what I did do is I stumbled across a range of interesting statistics. I'd like to take an opportunity to share some of those with you. The odds of successfully navigating an asteroid field are 1 in 3,720. The odds of Mike Leslie making a hole-in-one on a par 3 are 1 in 12,500.
Like those odds.
The odds of me making par on a par 3, 1 in about 156 million. Odds of winning a Powerball jackpot, 1 in 175 million, 200,000 and change. And the odds of CMS timely adoption of the recent life safety code, 1 in, well, I couldn't find the infinity symbol on the keyboard, so we'll just leave it at that. When the Blue Ridge chapter was formed, it was identified that the geographical complexities would have the most direct impact upon the success of our chapter. Historically, the Appalachian Mountains are often credited with isolating its residents from the rest of the Commonwealth. After several discussions with other Southwest Virginia healthcare facility engineers, it was apparent that a century later, this isolation was still very much a reality. As a regional collective, we identified that as a result of this geographical silo, the most frightening symptom that we were plagued with is that we didn't know what we didn't know. In 2008, the task at hand was to establish a vehicle to provide high-quality educational opportunities to a regional audience. And I'm proud to say that we've accomplished that. We created unique ways to broadcast these programs. We've partnered with several professional affiliates. They've opened up their offices for satellite locations. We now have the capability to establish these meeting hubs that support video conferencing and web-driven communication technologies. Through the satellite hub approach, we allow for our members to broaden their skills and knowledge base in areas related to facility management. This also enables us the ability to network with our peers in a real-time environment. So I said, Eureka, we've solved this problem. Yet 5 years later, we're still struggling. We continue to struggle with meeting participation. We still don't know what we don't know because we can't get to the meetings. And I spent some time with the rest of the Blue Ridge leadership group, and we were trying to evaluate why. And we've come up with time. Time is why. It's the most valuable resource that depletes at a calculated rate, and there's no known way to stop or replenish the supply. So to address this challenge, the Blue Ridge chapter is restructuring our meeting frequencies. We're migrating from the monthly meeting model to a quarterly structure. We've coupled this with delivering high-quality educational programs. We've designed these programs to focus specifically on programs to keep staffs aware of industry best care practices, programs that will promote awareness of benchmarks and changing and accreditation programs, programs that will provide education to reduce the risk inherent in healthcare facilities, and to learn about new cost-effective technologies that will assist in addressing new projects and methodologies of doing business, whether this be integrated technology or just perhaps maybe a building maintenance program for doors that allows you to be okay because you know the risk in your building. So through these measures, we hope to increase attendance while continuing to provide a platform that offers discussion opportunity and propagates information on issues and pending legislation that impacts our field of healthcare as a whole. So as the Blue Ridge District, that's the direction that we're going. We've partnered with the educational opportunities provided through VSHE, through VSHE, and delivered through the Blue Ridge District to assist in constructing this foundation for a safe environment of care. We have to realize that we have a direct impact on the ability for our healthcare organizations to improve that delivery of care administered to the public. and I'm very excited at the opportunity for us to continue to grow this year. So thank you for your time this morning.
Thanks, Scott.